Ever wondered how trees, these silent giants, support life on Earth? These towering organisms are much more than just a backdrop to our busy lives. Trees are the lungs of our planet, inhaling carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen, a process we know as photosynthesis. But there's more to it than just that. Each tree is a mini ecosystem in itself, providing shelter and sustenance to countless creatures. They're also nature's greatest carbon sinks, storing vast amounts of carbon in their trunks, roots, and leaves. But trees aren't just solitary beings. They form a complex network of communication, a fascinating process we'll delve into later. Trees are the silent heroes of our world, fighting climate change one leaf at a time. They stand tall, enduring the harshest of seasons, all while providing us with the air we breathe. And with every breath you take, remember it's a gift from the trees. How do trees convert sunlight into food? Welcome to the world of photosynthesis. In nature's grand scheme, trees are the master chefs, whipping up a feast of glucose and oxygen from a simple recipe of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. This remarkable process, known as photosynthesis, is the cornerstone of life as we know it. Imagine this. The leaves of a tree, those green, vibrant wonders, act as tiny solar panels. They capture sunlight and initiate a complex chemical reaction. This reaction involves carbon dioxide, which trees absorb from the atmosphere, and water, drawn up from the roots. The result? Glucose, which is a type of sugar that provides energy for the tree, and oxygen, which is released back into the air. But this isn't just a one-way street. While trees are busy making food for themselves, they are also creating oxygen, a vital resource for most living organisms. In fact, about 1/3 of the Earth's oxygen is produced by trees. Without them, our planet would be a very different and much less hospitable place. This process is also a key player in the fight against climate change. By absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, trees help to balance our planet's carbon cycle and mitigate the effects of global warming. So, in essence, trees are nature's perfect chefs, cooking up life itself. Did you know trees talk to each other? Let's delve into the wood wide web. Now, when we say talk, it isn't like you and I conversing over a cup of coffee. Trees have a unique way of communicating, using a vast underground network of fungi known as mycorrhizal fungi. Think of it as nature's internet, connecting trees in a web of life. Trees use this network to share resources and pass along information. For instance, a tree under attack by pests can send out warning signals through this network, alerting its neighbors who can then ramp up their defense systems. It's a bit like getting a heads up from your friend about a pop quiz. This communication is vital for the survival and health of forests. It helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem, ensuring that trees thrive together in harmony. You see, in a forest, no tree stands alone. They're all connected, sharing and caring for each other in a silent, unseen conversation that's been ongoing for millions of years. So next time you're out in the woods, remember beneath your feet lies a complex and intricate web of connections. In the silence of the forest, a conversation is always ongoing. In the fight against climate change, forests might be our biggest allies. These leafy giants are nature's silent warriors, tirelessly battling the invisible enemy that is carbon dioxide. You see, trees are like the lungs of our planet. They breathe in carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming, and exhale oxygen, a vital life force for all creatures. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees not only produce oxygen but also store carbon in their trunks, branches, and roots. This carbon storage, or carbon sequestration as experts call it, helps to cool down our planet. Every tree, regardless of its size or species, plays this crucial role in mitigating climate change. But here's a sobering fact. Deforestation, the cutting down of trees on a massive scale, is releasing vast amounts of stored carbon back into the atmosphere. This is why forest conservation is no longer just about preserving biodiversity. It is an urgent, global priority in our fight against climate change. So, the next time you look at a forest, see more than just a collection of trees. See a powerful living solution to one of the greatest challenges of our times. Remember, every tree counts in the quest for a cooler planet.